clean situation and show you how I got a whole bunch of items for free. So I found out about the Grove Collective, the Grove Collaborative. When you sign up to get a free trial, you get a whole bunch of free stuff. All you have to do is spend $20. You can spend more, but $20 is the minimum, and you get a whole bunch of stuff for free. What I like about this site is that it is catered to like all natural, reduce, reuse, recycle, all of that green good stuff that I like. And let's get started. So the first thing that I actually paid for were these reusable storage bags. There's 3 of them. There's this big size you see here, a medium, and then a smaller size. And they're basically like Ziploc bags that you just wash and reuse. I got this set of 3 for $10.95. Yeah, play with that. The next thing I got was this lavender and oatmeal bar soap. It's just made with all natural ingredients: palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, oatmeal, essential oils, all that good stuff here. And I paid $3.95 for this. And the last things that I actually paid for were these. This is Daily Shower Cleaner, and I got 2 of these for $5.98. So basically what you do is after you get out of the shower, you just spray it while it's still wet, and you won't have to like scrub or have all that that build up and mildew and all that stuff. So I got 2 of these because I hate cleaning the shower. This is in the scent Eucalyptus Mint. I already used the other one, so it's in the bathroom, and it smells so good. It actually smells a little bit like bubblegum, but that is okay with me. Uh-oh, falling, boo. Now I'm gonna show you everything that I got for free. First, I got these sponge scrubbers, walnut and cellulose, and it's once again made from renewable plant materials, and I got a pack of 2 here. Next, I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap, and this is in the Peony scent, which I think is their new spring, limited edition scent for the spring, I believe. So I got one of these. Next, I got the same brand, Mrs. Meyer's. This is a hand lotion. We already have the lavender scent hand soap, so I figured I'd try a different one with that. And I got the dish soap. So once again, this is in the limited edition Peony scent. And the last thing I got was a stoneware tray. So it says sink side style, keeping your sink stylish and organized. Hey. So it says use it for your favorite soaps, lotions in the kitchen or bath. What I'm going to do is actually use it as a spoon rest on the stove top, so that I don't have to keep cleaning the stove top. I was actually going to go buy me a spoon rest, but since I got this for free, no need. And the original cost for all these items were $48 and some change. I got 9 items for $20.88. And you can do the same thing by just clicking on the link below, and it'll just take you to your checkout where it will already have things in your cart. Just edit it to your choosing. I just did a little shopping around and see exactly what I like. I specifically made sure I just hit that $20 mark. That's all. All right, bye. Bye.